Island style will make you smile. Tap ta da 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 da. Bush. Come join our experience each and every episode with Island style kitchen. Cooking in the bush. Yaksta the bush lad said that. Waklak skum. Skalai boom. Bututum. Bush. Hey yo! But it's scrolling and clicking. Why you feel that chef over there mouth is dripping? Because they had just subscribed to Island Style Kitchen, cooking in the bush. Yaksta the bush lad and that's that. Waklak scum, skalai boom. Take it away with the gravy. Pow!
Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Yeah man, welcome back to Island Style Kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how to make a very healthy juice. And this juice is a watermelon beetroot juice or beetroot watermelon, whichever way you want to call it. And it's just 4 simple ingredients that's in this juice. Alright, so what we have here, we have some beets here. In Jamaica we call it beetroot. We have some ginger, we have a lemon, and I have a whole watermelon here that I'm going to use. And also I have my juicer here. Alright, so people, I'll advise you if you want to go on the healthy road to get some nice healthy juice, invest into a juicer because it comes in very handy and you get some healthy, delicious juice from a juicer. Yes, so drinking beetroot on a regular, beetroot help to maintain a healthy weight. Beetroot help to improve your stamina. Beetroot lower blood pressure and beetroot help to fight off cancer. Yeah? So make sure on a drink up on a beetroot. Right, I'm going to tell you a few things about the watermelon now. Alright? You see, watermelon is another healthy thing. Them say watermelon good for man because they say it has in some of the substance where have Viagra in it. I'm not sure it is, and you can research it for yourself. Watermelon help to right now improve your digestion. So if you have stomach problem, you just drink some watermelon juice, you know. Watermelon help hydrate your body. And watermelon is very good for your skin and your hair. So go ahead and eat a watermelon or make juice with it. Whatever you want to do with the watermelon, but put watermelon in your diet. Alright, so just stay tuned. Right now I'm going to wash the fruits and then I'm going to make the juice. So watch what I go on right now.
All them my pop and a pop and them said them wicked and them tough, but me food come first. Island style and utterance, yes they come for it. Water whipping and the morning and the gnashing and squeal. We not plant no farm, that's why we are feel. No wait on the pharmacist or the doctor seal. Be careful what you're taking for your meal. And what's the problem in the equation? At the simple math for us to overstand. If you eat garbage, you are go in a dip.
Alright people, so everything ready to go through the juice here now. Yeah man, real sweet. Alright, so I go to work now.
Island style food, me food come first. Heads of state, my people, me beg gonna play this up. You see the shoes by your feet, your cologne they smell sweet and your car way unique. Would you throw water in a the tank or you not dig your grave with your teeth? Respect what you eat, cause life is sweet. Me food come first. All them my papa.
Here we have it people, this is our Beets watermelon juice. Alright, so you should definitely go and try this recipe. Try this drink man, this drink is very healthy for you and it's nutritious. Yeah, alright, so I'm going to serve myself a glass right now, I can't wait. Yes, this is it. Yeah man, very nutritious, you should definitely go and try this drink. Island Style Kitchen way. Alright, so I got about 6 of these bottles from the amount of juice that I healed from the juicer. So what you should do when you're storing these juice, this has a shelf life of about 3 days. So what I normally do if I have 6 bottles, I'll put 3 of them in the freezer and keep 3 of them in the cooler, in the bottom part of the fridge. Alright, and some people say that the nutrients in the juice dies like within 48 hours. However, I'll still prefer to drink 10-day-old juice than to drink a soda because there has to be more nutrients in a natural juice than a soda with all preservative and everything. And here we have this juice. There was no water, no sugar, no sweetener. It's all natural, no preservative. So definitely go and try this. Okay. And one more important thing people, you see when you're drinking Beets or any natural juice that you're new to, don't go overboard with it and drink too much. Take your time and introduce your body to it. And when you drink the beets juice, when you go to the bathroom, you'll find say everything look red. Don't be afraid or get worried about it. It's nothing. It's just clean out toxins out of you. Okay. So if you guys enjoy this video, please like this video, leave a comment about the video, and share it with your family member and your friends. And do remember, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, just hit the subscribe button. Alright, so walk good, and stay safe, and see you on the next episode of the Island Style Kitchen. One love.